What do you think when you hear the name Drew Mitchell?
Who?
He tried to get with my woman.
That guy's such an asshole.
We made out one time in public and he didn't even call me. My mom even took pictures.
That's not his real hair or his soul patch.
Drew Mitchell will try to win you over with his nice hair and charming ways. Don't be bumfuzzled by Drew Mitchell. Sources say he wears a wig and canoodles in public. Is this the kind of man that we want to represent us? Somehow, a man that eats steak with a spork. A guy that once said a woman's body is like Missouri. He can find his way to St. Louis, but if he goes outside of St. Louis, he will be lost in Missouri. A guy that said this.
We wear leotards, but not on our bodies.
And this.
I'll tell you what irritates me, the color orange. Where does it get off?
Seriously, who says that? Drew Mitchell says it. That's who. Don't let the soul patch suck you in. This ad in support of Ashley King was paid for by LSBDM. Lady Scorned by Drew Mitchell.